course, TMC makes a big charge. In fact, we have just heard Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee saying that you do meetings, you do public meetings, you do rallies, but do not do danga, because Lord Ram is not asking anybody to do danga, but it is the BJP party who will do the danga. And after that, they will also welcome the NIA and then arrest TMC leader. This is what Mamata Banerjee says. In fact, remember today in the PC Kunal Ghosh and Chandima Bhattacharya have said that this is BJP's plan to attack the opposition. Says that the heavyweight TMC leaders are being attacked, are being targeted by ED and CBI. In fact, the BJP is trying to weaken the booth level of the TMC party. That is the reason why they're using NIA to target the booth level presidents, to arrest them, in fact, to weaken the TMC party and then to win the election.
All right, stay on with us, Shreya. Let's also hear it from the governor. The Bengal governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, has also expressed concerns over what he calls the legacy of violence in West Bengal. Now, we do know the equation that the TMC has with the West Bengal governor. It's no different than it was with the previous governor, Mr. Dhankar. But the governor says in as many words that there is a disquieting situation which continues to mar West Bengal. There are goons that have taken control in several areas. Many bureaucrats in Bengal are also biased. Let's listen in to what he has to say.
I'm getting the version of NIA and then the report of the government. Then only as governor, I'll be able to say anything about it for certain. What is reported is ghastly, shocking. It should never have happened. A democracy cannot afford to have such things to happen in future. The law has to take its course. The tendency of goons and antisocial elements bullying the law enforcement agencies does not bring credit to anybody down the line. We should deal with it with an iron hand.
We have Mr. Shantanu Sen of the TMC joining us on the phone line. Mr. Sen, this was the governor's reaction. You've heard it from the Prime Minister as well. He says all of this is being done deliberately by the TMC so that central agencies are not able to do their duty. They're not able to do their work in a state such as West Bengal. It's a pattern, he says.
It's clear to all by now in the country that these central agencies, they are nothing but the several political wings of Bharatiya Janata Party, that is the central ruling party. And these central agencies, these are being utilized against the opposition political parties across the country. And the rate of raids has increased after the announcement of the poll dates. And so far the competence of these central agencies are concerned, we know that they can hardly reach to the end of any individual case. And especially so far our state of West Bengal is concerned, if you consider two consecutive cases, one is Sandeshkhali, one is Bhupatinagar, you will come to know that with clear-cut and ulterior motive to work at the behest of Bharatiya Janata Party without informing the local administration, being associated with the local media.
But the NI has a different story to tell, Mr. Sen, that the local administration was very well informed, but still adequate arrangements were not made, and that's exactly what led to this situation.
I hope when you are asking me a question, you will having the patience to listen to me. The NIA went to that place at 4 a.m. at midnight. Police was informed at 5:45 in the morning, and police reached there at 6 a.m. So police could reach after 2 hours of since the NIA reached there. So it was clear-cut a motivated and concocted story to create a narrative that TMC supporters, they are doing this hooliganism, which is absolutely false. If any stranger goes to the house of any woman at midnight, do you think that woman will welcome that stranger? When the media persons, they are getting the information, why not the local police?
Does that give the right, sir, for anybody, even if it's, locals in the area, to start pelting stones at the vehicle in which the NI officials were traveling? That's the question that continues to be asked still. But that said, a big charge has been leveled by Mamata Banerjee. She, in fact, earlier today also went on to say that the BJP is going to orchestrate a riot-like situation in West Bengal to gain from it politically. In the meanwhile, the NI team also approached the police after being attacked. An FR has also been registered over the NI's complaint. Many thanks, Mr. Sen, for speaking to us. Let's hear it from what the NI also mentions in its complaint.
ভূপতিনগর থানাতে পৌঁছয় এবং ভূপতিনগর থানার পক্ষ থেকে তাদেরকে সমস্ত রকম সহযোগিতার আশ্বাস দেওয়া হয় একটি পুরনো একটি কেসে। কিন্তু দেখা যায় যে আগে থেকে তাদের আরো কয়েকটি দল ভূপতিনগরের বিভিন্ন জায়গায় ছিল। এর যে সমস্ত টিমগুলি আগে থেকে ফিল্ডে পৌঁছে গেছিল তাদেরই একটি টিম আক্রান্ত হয়েছে। সেখানে পুলিশ পৌঁছবার আগেই তারা সেখান থেকে যাকে ডিটেন করাচ্ছিল একজনকে নিয়ে বেরিয়ে আসতে পারে। এই ঘটনায় একটি গাড়িতে ভাঙচুর হয়েছে এবং একজন মাইনর ইনজুরি হয়েছে যেটা আমাদের কাছে খবর আছে। একটি নির্দিষ্ট মামলা রুজু করে তদন্ত করা হচ্ছে। এফআইআর করা হয়েছে এবং তদন্ত শুরু হয়েছে।
But that is